Hey everyone, if your Sunbeam heating pad is showing an F error, stop using it right away. This error is a built-in safety warning that means the pad has detected a fault and shut itself down to prevent overheating or electrical risk. The F error can appear for several reasons, including overheating, a bad temperature sensor, loose or damaged wiring, a control unit failure, or plugging the pad into an extension cord or surge protector instead of a wall outlet. Some models may show variations like F1 for loose connections or F2 for low current, but the fix process is largely the same. Start by turning the heating pad off and unplugging it immediately. Let it cool completely for at least 20 to 30 minutes, which helps reset internal safety sensors. Next, inspect the power cord, controller, and connection point for any fraying, bending, or looseness. If your model has a detachable controller, unplug it from the pad and firmly reconnect it. After that, leave the unit unplugged from the wall for at least 30 seconds, then plug it directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip or extension cord. Follow Sunbeam's reset method by keeping the control in the off position for about 2 minutes before turning it back on. If the F error returns, this usually means there's internal damage to the sensor or control unit. At that point, continuing to use the pad is unsafe. Check your warranty status and contact Sunbeam support for repair or replacement options.